This is my screen door design for a toy hauler or really any enclosed trailer. It's very easy to make. All the materials were bought at Home Depot for about $400. It depends how big the opening is to what you need. No screws were made, no holes were made in the actual toy hauler unit. Everything's removable by just 2 wing nuts. I could take this whole top off right here. This is basically just material, vinyl material, comes right off, top comes off. There's 2 screws right here, the wing nuts, pops that off, this top pops off, no problem. Locks, slides open. Straight on here. Slide shut. Get insulation in here. And this screen right here was made myself, just with a screen kit. It's real simple. Holds it all together is right here, this bracket right here. There's 3 of them going down, and they're pop riveted. You look in there, there's 3 rivets. In here there's C channel, 3/4 inch C channel, and then 3/8. I would use both 3/4 because I had trouble once I put the plastic in the window. I had a lot of trouble fitting it in because the Velcro is so thick. It holds the plastic in. It's real simple to make. This opening right here, I think it's like 57 inches. I could probably get a quad through there. Oh yeah, I can. Actually, I did it. I don't have to take the doors off at all when I travel. The doors float, so they're not going to go anywhere. At least mine haven't. It's pretty stable. I lock the door, then I put a stick in each side of the door so it can't slide either direction. So it can't come out of here. It's in the C channel. And from the outside, we put plastic in the windows for the air conditioning. Keep the air conditioning in. So basically this is just up right here. Velcroed in. Comes right off. This is pretty easy to do. If I had to do this, I'd probably put in this right here. Just like a trailer, everything's flimsy, but this right here, I probably would have put C channel in there going down, then put the Velcro on top of that. That way you'd have one stable screen. Basically what stops this from opening is the weather stripping. You can slide it all the way over, which I actually like. Then you can get them out real easy. They stop though. They both stop. It's real simple. I don't know how this is going to show up on film, but it looks pretty good. There's plans online. I put the plans online. There's just 1/4 inch, or not 1/4 inch, 3/4 inch C channel going all the way around the inside of the angle iron. This is all aluminum construction, so it's light. This is actually 1/8 inch thick. It's thicker, so it doesn't bend in the middle. The rest of it, I think, is like 1/16 going all the way around. Looks good. Functions like a home. It's real simple to do. Probably took me like a couple hours to build. It was real simple. It's just a rivet gun, drills, drill it out, and you need obviously a hacksaw. I just cut out mine by hand with a hacksaw, but because it's real simple to do. If you have any questions, I'll try to post the instructions below so you can download those. If you have any questions, let me know. Post at the bottom. Thanks.